Hey, all my friends, relatives, and cousins. This is the Hawkeye, your cousin Leon. And today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what I did this morning. As far as I made some little bit of money, lost a little bit of money, then made some more money and made as much money back that I lost plus some. So I want to show you how that process went. But you notice I'm wearing this t-shirt. It says straight, you can't see it all, but it says straight out of the Bronx. And the reason I'm wearing it is because people like myself from the Bronx, we didn't learn this stuff growing up. If you're from Chicago, if you're from Gary, Indiana, if you're from Jamaica, if you're from the south side of St. Louis, we didn't learn this stuff. So please like, share, and comment on my videos. The reason I do these videos are twofold. One, they help me think about what I'm doing. And secondly, hopefully they help you guys learn that there's something else out here that you can do to make money without working so hard. So if you're between the ages of 40 to 90, and you're at that stage where you don't want to do anything else, you don't want to learn this, you don't want to do it, please don't watch it for just 3 minutes and close it down. Please share it. Share it with your sons, your daughters. Share it with your nephews, your nieces. Share it with your grandkids. People are searching nowadays for something else that can make their lives better. So even if you don't want to do anything, please share. And please tell other people about this. So without further ado, excuse me, let's go to what happened this morning. This video will be very short, but as you can see up here, this is the SPY. Now let me try to put something up here. I'm trying to show you guys where I am. This is a 2-minute chart of the SPY. You see here, it says 2 minutes. SPY is the Standard & Poor's 500. This gray area is what happened overnight. And this happens to be a line chart. This line chart for me is much more visual. You can see what's going on a lot easier. Over here, this is a candlestick chart. It's still a 2-minute chart, but it happens to be a candlestick chart. I can see over here on my left, and you can see it where it's much clearer. So what happened today was I got into the SPY right at the opening around 8:30, 8:35 this morning, and I bought a call option. It went up and I was in the money. If you notice that I have this green line right here, that's yesterday's high. So I was hoping or looking to see that hopefully it would go up higher than yesterday's high and continue on. Well, it didn't. It got to this point, I was in the money. And as I looked over to my right, I can see this red candle coming into play. As soon as I saw this red candle, I decided to cut the trade. So I cut the trade with a very small loss. So by that time, I decided to change my thinking and decided to go with a put option. That means now I'm thinking that the market is going to drop. So I bought a put option around this area. And sure enough, the market dropped right to in this area. That was enough of a drop for me to make money, not only enough money to make up for the small loss I had over here, but to also give me a profit. So it gave me a profit of about $21 per contract. Now, so that means if I traded one contract, I made $21. This is all within a 15-minute period. If I traded 10 contracts, that's $210. if I traded more or less. You notice I never tell you exactly how many contracts I trade, because I don't want you guys to say, well, he trades so many contracts, I'll never be able to do that. And I also don't want you guys to say, he only traded one contract and that's not enough money. I want you guys to learn the process. So how much I made or how much anybody else makes is not really important. It's learning the process so that you can trade whatever's comfortable for you. So that's how the money was made. I did this all on a 2-minute time frame chart, 2 minutes. And again, for those of you that don't have the time each day, I still recommend that you wait until the market breaks above yesterday's high, or all the way down here breaks below yesterday's low. But if you're one of the people that happen to have the time to day trade, that's what it's called, day trade, for a half an hour or an hour each day, then you can catch some of these moves between the lines. And that's what happened today. It never broke a higher, it never broke lower, but this little bit of meat in the middle was enough to make some money. Within about 15 or 20 minutes, call it a day, finish for the day, and I had time to make this video. As you can see, the market over here is still moving. That's why you see the lines jumping up and down, because it's not even quite 3 o'clock Central Time for the market to close. So the market is still open. I've made my money this morning, and that is it. So again, please like, share, especially share, and comment, especially comment, because if you have questions about a certain way of trading, or you want to be individually tutored or mentored, please contact me and let me know. So thank you all so much for watching. I'll have another video coming shortly or soon, and have a great rest of your day.